Hello, and it's me and Jemima here today on this cold, grey,
wintry,
London
miserable day.
And we thought we'd come on and make a video about our winter cold favourites.
Yeah, just because it's cold and miserable outside, we don't need to be cold and miserable with our sewing, do we?
No, we don't. And we do like to talk about our sewing, especially how it changes different times of the year and what sort of things that we're thinking about, what things we're wearing. We did one in the summer, didn't we?
Summer favourite patterns.
Favourite patterns. So we thought we'd talk about our cosy winter makes. Yeah. So we could start with what we're sort of wearing at the moment. Yeah.
Well, I would say that for winter, I am all about cosy jersey dresses. So this is my new Zoe Dress, which is, I've made Zoe before. I just reach for it all the time. It's so quick to sew. It's got elastic, so it's just so easy to wear. And this fabric actually, I feel really pleased with because we've talked about this a lot. What I really like in winter is wearing like dark black but like still colourful. Does that make sense? So still bright, yeah, so you can wear it with tights and easy to layer and stuff, but still bring in some colour, otherwise you just feel a bit down, don't you?
Yeah, when you're just dressing lots of dark layers and it's dark outside, it's nice to have some colour,
bring a bit of colour, as you were doing as well.
You might recognise this jumper from last year. This is what Rosie made in our Team Secret Santas. So this is the Roxy with the big wide, is it bell sleeve?
Yeah.
The big stainless sleeve, little cropped, and it actually has two different necklines, and mine's the slightly scooped one.
Yeah, and then there's a higher one, right?
Yeah, and mine did have my name in lights, like fairy lights on it, but I couldn't wash it because it was a battery operated light. So I felt really sad, but I've taken that bit off.
Cute, but not wholly practical.
Yeah,
really.
But it means that I can now wear it, and to be honest, I'll wear this all winter.
Yeah, I mean,
red's not just for Christmas.
No. Roxy is like the perfect layering, isn't it? I think it hits at exactly the right place to pair with loads of our patterns because it's kind of high-waisted crop, so it's going perfectly with your Xanthi. Yeah. Tell us about your Xanthi.
So this, you might also recognise this fabric. So I had a little bit of a remnant left over when I made my ultimate jeans from the jeans club.
Is that what it's from?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so this was Xanthi, although it's like a, and I've done a longer version, so it hits me below knee length. It's a long skirt, but because it's like a straight skirt, it doesn't actually...
Does it take as much as you think?
No, it doesn't take a lot of fabric, and I had a remnant left from my ultimate jeans. I was just short a little bit, but I just did a contrasting... Just a little contrasting inside there.
I love that. Like a flash of something fun on the outside.
So, and obviously, just no one sees that anyway, but I think it's quite a nice little feature. So this is my winter Xanthi because I've got the lighter denim, which was...
Oh, yes, you've got like a summer Xanthi and a winter Xanthi now. It's perfect.
Yeah. Rosie made me that because I got to wear it for the photo shoot before it was released. So yeah, that's a light denim. But yeah, I don't know why. I just don't feel right wearing light denim.
No, I know.
I don't know why. I mean,
well, it's the same thing that I was saying before. Isn't it something about? There's something nice about having seasonal clothing, isn't there? And then you get back to spring and you're like, oh yeah, it's time for the other Xanthi.
So this goes really. Roxy goes really well with high waisted things. Obviously, the ultimate jeans are also high waisted.
Yeah. Peggy, it would go well with.
And Nina's. Because I have, that's something I wear a lot, my Nina trousers, which I made in a wool. So they're the wide leg trousers, but they're high waisted. And they've got some pleats at the front. So when you've got I feel when I've got a lot of fabric at the front, you don't want anything to hang down or add bulk.
No, you want it to sit on top and touch it there. Otherwise, it's feels like a lot going on.
Yeah, there's too many things.
Yeah, too much layering.
So that's what I've been wearing. My denim.
I think something that I really like kind of weirdly this time of year, your mind goes to long things, but I actually really like long in the summer and loose and floaty, and then in the winter I quite like shorter knee length and then tights and boots, and I find that much easier to layer somehow. You know, when you've got a long skirt and sometimes it's just a lot.
Yeah, there's too many things in it, isn't it?
Yeah, you need to stack it.
Yeah.
So that's what I like. So I'm thinking of Ava's at the minute. I've seen this everywhere in the shops, like Ava's, and I feel like high boots are back in. So that goes really nicely with a roll neck top. Yeah. Maybe black roll neck, and then
which is really classic.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't go out fashion, I don't think.
Exactly. Perfect for winter. So it gives you so much more warmth, I find, having this part of my neck covered. Do It was like the same with what were you saying the other day? You had something cropped, and you're saying about chilly ankles.
Yes.
And it's amazing the difference that bit of fabric.
So I was saying that my Peggies, because I've got a jumbo cord pair of Peggies that I've worn a lot, but I actually haven't worn so much, but just because they hit just above the ankle, and I've got cold. I don't want cold ankles.
You don't want cold ankles.
So if you're all wrapped up and you've just got breeze.
So no chilly ankles, no chilly necks. Like to be covered.
Yeah.
Cozy.
But I do agree with you, the layering, like with tights and like a shorter skirt rather than a longer one.
Yeah, somehow that works, isn't it? I think, you know, I've also seen a lot in shops, like loads of co-ords, you've got like matching mini skirts and jackets, and then you really need to think about the lengths there.
Yeah, the Ava one, the Ava skirt with a matching jacket is a...
Well, Alma's got the matching Jessie coat hasn't she?
Yes.
That is like, such a look. Has she even got matching beret or something as well?
Probably.
There's like a whole look.
I'm sure she will now.
She will now. Yeah, it's like amazing. But and that hits, maybe is it a little bit longer than Ava?
Yeah, the Jessie coat again is, that here. But yeah, that I quite like that. Like
big oversized coat
yeah.
and then a mini skirt.
Yeah. And like you said, if you wore then a sort of a tight fitted top, like a roll neck, that's really nice. But then also I think like a crop jacket, because I wear my Amelia jacket a lot, and I think that would look really nice with an Ava.
Or Coco.
Oh yes.
That's because that's like hitting just above the...
Do you know what would look nice? The 1960s coat, but with the cropped version.
Yes, the shorter one.
Yeah.
I love that sample. Whenever we go to a show, I try on that sample. I'm like, I love this coat. I'd love to make this.
But yeah, because I forget the short version of it, and I think that would look really nice with a matching Ava.
Have you got coats on your mind to sew this year?
Do you know what? Since last year, I had in my mind to make a Jessie coat again, a lined one, because
that adds quite a bit of warmth.
I think it does, and I just know that it's a sort of coat that I'll probably get a lot of wear out of, you know, and I wanted to make it a bright colour because it's quite a simple shape.
Yeah, you can really go to town on the fabric.
Yeah. So yeah, I think I'm going to make a Jessie coat again. What about you? Have you made a coat before?
Have I made? I made Amelia.
Oh yeah.
I loved making that. I really like bigger projects, so I think a coat project would suit me. I haven't particularly got anything planned, but you know, the thing with winter is it's got quite a lot of time left. Like it's cold right through until March. Like, well, there's really time still.
Yeah, actually the main bit of winter really is
starting.
Yeah. So, yeah, I kind of forget that too.
So I could definitely be convinced into a coat in the new year. Probably Jessie. That's very in at the moment. That kind of look, I think.
Yeah, very much so.
Or even like thinking to the spring, like a Frankie jacket maybe.
Yeah.
Because that's lined as well. I think that could carry you.
Yeah. Especially if you made it in a thicker way.
Yeah.
I think choosing the fabric is key there, isn't it? But yeah, I think that would look really nice together. I love a cord.
Yeah, me too. A winter cord. That's the one. What other things have we been thinking? Oh, I'll tell you what popped into my mind this morning because someone emailed with a question about the Zoe dress. And I was thinking, that's a really nice winter pattern. Because it's a little, so our Zoe dress is a kind of a shift dress, but it's a bit more fitted. And you can make it in a heavier weight fabric. You can make it in even a denim or a stretch cotton or something like that. So that'd be a really nice cozy. It's got big pockets.
Yeah, I really like the pockets and the seams. What is it?
Is it princess seams?
I think it might be princess seams. Really like those. So it's a really nice detail, isn't it?
Easy to fit as well, princess seams. And I just thought, I was just looking at it this morning, I was reminded of the pattern. Obviously, we've got so many, and I was like, that's a lovely winter one, actually. Yeah. Or heather as well. That's like the jersey kind of equivalent, isn't it?
I know she's really popular. When we used to meet people at the shows, people have made quite a lot of them.
Heather's one of those ones I think you like make one, and then you make 10.
Yeah.
It's just I think pretty quick and simple, and just it's so easy to wear, and you can have one in like every colour.
Yeah.
And then that's so nice in winter, isn't it? You don't have to think about putting a whole outfit together. It's just like, right, one dress on, done. Yeah. You feel good. Yeah, so is there anything else that you've been seeing sort of around? I feel like the tube is my perfect people watching.
Yeah, what are the people wearing?
Yeah, what are the people wearing?
Well, I have seen lots of the wide leg trousers, which is making me feel good about my Ninas. And then, I definitely want to make another pair because mine are quite thick, heavy wool. So I think maybe a lighter fabric because then it can go through into autumn. And I think it'll pair really well with a lot of shirts. Like our Anderson blouse. I've seen a lot of those.
Loose wrap
blouse. Things that can be tucked in.
Yeah.
The
Long
pussy bow
sleeves.
blouse, with the big bow, like with the add-on.
So kind of office chic.
Yeah,
That's
but
what
in
you
like
mind.
fancy fabrics.
Fancy fabrics, like silky.
Yeah, I've still got in my mind. I want to make the silk shirt.
This has been a long time dream of clothes.
I've talked about it a lot. I think it's because obviously silk is quite an expensive fabric.
Yeah,
it's just
you have to think about it for a little while.
Yeah.
before you do it.
And so I've made myself a Libby shirt recently.
Oh yeah,
I
that was cute.
I really love my Libby shirt. So that's just a little cropped shirt, and it's really really quick to make. Really, like it has a really lovely collar that's quite delicate. So it's not too oversized or anything.
Yeah, it's neat,
But
isn't it?
Yeah, a little neat collar. But I think I'm gonna make some more shirts. But yeah, choose my nice silk fabric.
And I've just said about sleeves, but actually I do think in winter as well, sometimes sleeveless is easier because then it's easier to pop a cardigan on top.
Yeah, that's
I would
true.
find if you've got something with a big sleeve, actually doesn't
Yeah.
layer quite so well. But if you've got a sleeveless shirt, then you can easily pop a cardigan on.
Yeah, put extra layers on over it. What about you?
What am I sewing? I've had a Georgie dress on my mind for a long time. So this is like a jersey wrap dress, and I think it looks really neat, a bit classy, very like good office wear, but jersey still comfy, and it's got a lined bodice, which I think A makes it warmer and B really elevates it.
Yeah.
So
I've seen some really nice like kind of party.
yeah, you can
as
take
well.
it any way with Georgie. You can make it office. You can make it like I've seen lots of like glitter jersey.
Yeah.
For party,
Especially if you do the fuller skirt with it.
Yes, because it's
and
two
then-
skirt options exactly.
Yeah, but if you do the less full one, you can be quite a
Every
nice
day.
every day.
And speaking of party Georgies, are you thinking of any New Year's sewing?
Well, do you know what I think? In terms, I haven't really got any parties to go to, but generally I do like to get dressed up. Like I don't know if you have like friends round for
It's just
a
a
meal or
dressier
something.
time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think the Hetty dress is
Yeah, I was
just
just
the
gonna say
perfect winter dress.
It's so good because if you make it you can make it in a fancy fabric, but it's so comfy.
Yeah.
It's just like
And it's just perfect for like if you're having a big meal, which like that's what I tend to do
Yeah,
like, in the winter.
exactly.
You have like dinners out with friends or invite people over. So
Yeah.
you just you want something that's nice and
Loose.
fitted but loose.
but it is
comfortable.
fitted as well. It's the best of both. Yeah. And a quick sew.
Is it?
Yeah.
I haven't made one
You
yet.
haven't made one?
No.
So quick. Yeah. Because there's no fitting really.
Well, yeah, because it's just the
The pleat here,
side
and then the
seams.
ties.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I might do see what's in my stash.
See what's in your stash situation, yeah.
Come out
We've
with
all
a-
got something, haven't we? Quickly be a Hetty.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Let us know what kind of winter sewing is on your mind. Are you just kind of cozying down and waiting for warmer days?
Yeah.
Let us
Do we
know.
start planning the summer dresses now?
Okay, how soon is too soon? That's what I want to know. No, you have to. I always think you have to wait until the clocks change.
That's the
my
rules.
job. That's my rule.
Strict.
Otherwise, it's always summer. So give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel. We've got loads more stuff coming up and into the new year. And we will see you very soon. Bye.